Hey you guys, it's the end of the day and it's time for me to clean this face, and I've been needing to do a more hydrating skincare routine because my skin has been on the drier end lately. So that is what we're going to be doing today. But before we even get started into this good old hydration at nighttime skincare routine video, go ahead and click the red button down below if you are not already subscribed and join the TAM KAM fam. Now, before we even get started into the skincare routine, the first thing that we always want to do is actually clean our hands. Wash it, just because we do carry germs that we cannot see with the naked eye, and we do want to work with clean hands when we are working with our skin, period. So this is my skin needing to be clean. So one of my favorite products that I love to use first with my double cleansing routine is my First Aid face cleanser along with my fore cleansing device. I love these two products together. They're amazing. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply the cleanser onto the fore device. And along with that, I do love to cleanse my face with my Vanity Planet face steamer. I love this bad boy. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out the water chamber and fill it up. They do have a minimal and a max limit that you can actually fill water in here. Now, one thing when it comes to facial steamers, you do want to use distilled water. You do not want to use regular water or bottled water, just because they may have like calcium buildup, and you do not want to cause any type of blockage inside of your face steamer. Okay. Now, I actually did get this for my birthday, which I love. Only got it for like, well, I think the price is like $99, but they always have a sale. And if I do have a coupon code, it will be listed on the screen as well as in the description box for you guys to check it out. So we're going to go ahead and just turn on our facial steamer, let it get nice and cooking, and then we're going to go ahead and start cleansing our face. Now, I love to clean my face 2 times just because I like to get as much of the makeup, the dirt and debris from my skin. I love to use the First Aid Beauty facial cleanser because it is very gentle on my skin. It definitely does not leave my eye burning when I do wash my face with it. And I do love to use the fore cleansing device just because it does have a preset timer on it for actually 1 minute. So you can actually clean your face for 1 minute, which I love to do, just to open up every single thing and clean every single area of your skin properly deep down into them pores. After I'm done cleansing my face for the first time, I do love to just clean off my face with a towel using the Clean Skin Club towels. Now, I do not use regular towels anymore. If you have been following me for a while, regular towels are very, very dirty. They do harbor a lot of bacteria, and I do love to use the Clean Skin Club towels to actually clean my skin just because they are way cleaner than regular bath towels. And if you do want to try out these towels, I do have a coupon down below for 20% off of anything off of the site. So the next thing that we're going to use is my favorite, the Urban Skin RX. This is the vitamin C resurfacing cleansing bar, which obviously I do need a new jar of. Now, I love this cleansing bar, you guys. I love this cleansing bar so much. It has 2.5% niacinamide, lactic acid, kojic acid, turmeric, and raspberry seed oil, all included inside of this wonderful bar. Now, I love this bar so much because, first of all, this bar, I believe it's like a 8-ounce jar, and it lasts a very, very long time, you guys. This is a multitasking cleansing bar that helps to smooth, resurface, brighten dull skin. It also exfoliates the surface of your skin while enjoying the light aroma of the raspberry to reveal a more even looking complexion. So once I'm done with using my cleansing bar, I like to just go right behind using my clean skin towel just to actually cleanse off my face and just remove all of the product off of my skin. And the next product that we're going to use is the Fresh Hydration Rose Toner, y'all. I love this bad boy right here. This is actually my second bottle right here. So this toner It's actually a clean beauty product along with First Aid Beauty. I actually did forget to mention that. But this is a daily toner that I love to use. It is non-stripping and it actually has real rose petals in it along with hyaluronic acid that helps minimize the look of pores while increasing skin hydration. Hence, this is a hydration skincare routine. Now, the next thing that we're going to use is the Fresh Rose Mask, and this is an instant hydration mask with real rose petals as well, that's suspended in a silky gel that gently smooths and tones with a plumping effect. Now, I love, first of all, I actually keep this inside of my skincare fridge just because I love to apply masks when it's nice and cool because it just feels so good on the skin. But you guys, I love to use this in combination with the facial steamer. I just love to open up my pores just to get the product deep down in there. I love to use the facial steamer, especially when I'm using masks, just so I can get all the benefits of each and every single product when my pores are nice and open, y'all. I love this mask so much. So as you see, after using this facial steamer a couple of times, this is how much water I still have left inside of my chamber, which is still a good bit of water. After leaving a mask on my face for about maybe 10 minutes or so, you can already see my face is glowing, but it's actually time to actually wipe and remove off this mask. But you can already see how hydrated my skin is compared to the beginning of this video. It's actually more brighter. My melanin is popping, okay, period. Now we're going to go ahead back in with the Fresh Toner, which I love because I just always feel like it's the right thing to do, to go ahead and tone your face after cleansing and doing a face mask. So the next product that we're going to use is the Pure Culture Custom Serum. And y'all, I love this serum. I love all these products obviously for this hydration skincare routine, but this serum, it is formulated to target your skin care goals while supporting your skin needs. Now, this is a custom serum that you can actually take a quiz online to formulate to what you need for your skin. I love it a lot just because it is super duper lightweight and it easily absorbs into my skin. Now look at my skin glow, honey. Now the next thing that we're going to use is the Fresh Rose Hyaluronic Acid Deep Hydration Moisturizer, and this is a lightweight gel cream that is powered by advanced hyaluronic acids and time-release hydro patches that deliver up to 24 hours of hydration for dewy, plumped looking skin, y'all. I love Fresh products, first of all, because they are clean beauty and they just feel fresh on the skin, hence the name. Now that we're done all of our face, now it's time to focus on our lips because you know sometimes that can be dry as well. And I love to use my Lush Bubblegum Lip Scrub, which, ooh, it tastes so good, y'all. So I just actually just scrub this on my lip for maybe like 30 to 45 seconds just to get some of the dead skin off. You can actually eat this, that's what they say. I wouldn't necessarily do it because it's kind of gross. But hey, whatever. So after I'm done scrubbing my lips, I just go in with my Clean Skin Club towel, y'all. You know, this towel is bae, as you can see. And just get all the excess scrub off of my lips. And then lastly, I love to use my Aquaphor. This is my lip balm, my favorite, y'all. I carry this with me every day to work, everywhere I go. And I just love to just apply this all over my lip, like a nice thick coat or whatever I can, y'all. It is the bomb. So that completes my hydrating or my hydration facial routine for the night. I hope you actually did enjoy this good old video, and I hope you do try out some of these products that I did use in today's video, which will also be linked down below. Bye guys.